Hi, my name's Parker and I'm the developer of Twos. This will be a quick overview of how you can stay organized, remember more, and get things done using Twos. The most important concept of Twos is things. Each piece of information that you write down in Twos is referred to as a thing, and these things make it quick and easy to capture and organize information. So let's say we have something we want to remember about a friend. We can just write down John's middle name is Alan, or something that we need to do. Go to the store. We can write these things down anywhere and we'll have them to search for and remember forever. And there are different types of things. So go to the store is something that I want to do. So I can turn it into a to-do by clicking on the dash and then clicking on to-do. There are some special benefits to changing things into to-dos. Like each day, any unfinished to-dos from today will be automatically carried over to tomorrow. And you can also see all of your to-dos no matter where you wrote them down in the to-dos view. So we've covered the benefits of writing things down, how you can quickly write things down, and how you can change some of those things into to-dos. So you can also use Twos to set reminders with auto date detection. So let's say I'm going to lunch with Peter on Thursday at 5 p.m. We just have to write that down and Twos will automatically detect that we want to set a reminder. And this thing will also show up on Thursday. So if I go to Thursday, I'll see lunch with Peter on my day. We can also add this to our calendar by clicking on the reminder and picking a calendar we want to add it to. And we'll see that it's been added to our calendar. And we'll also see any events that have been pulled from our calendar on our day, as well as the ability to click on the link to join the meeting if it's a Zoom or Google Meet. The next important concept of Twos is lists. So to create a new list, you can come up to the top right-hand corner and you'll see that you can name your list or use any of the existing list ideas. Let's just create a grocery list. Lists are a super simple way of organizing things in common. Just like a day, you can jot things down that you want to remember. Let's say blueberries and oatmeal. Another benefit of lists is being able to share lists. So if you come to the list actions and then click on the share list button, you can share this list with a universal link that can be accessed on any device. You can also share just the text. You can share it as an image, PDF, text file, markdown file, and you can also print off lists if you wanted to hand them out in a meeting or take them with you on the go. The last important concept of Twos is days. It's where we started. This is the first view you'll see every single day, and it gives you a quick and organized place to write down anything that you want to remember. Let's say we're out and about or we're walking around the house and we remember two things that we need to get from the store. We can just open up Twos on our phone, click the plus button, and we can write down bananas and strawberries. Once we've written these things down, we can then select them by swiping them to the left. We can use the blue moving truck button to move these things to our grocery list, and we'll now have moved those things to our grocery list. So if we come back to web and we search grocery and we open up our grocery list, we'll see that those things have been added to our list. There's a lot of cool things that you can do with things like drag and drop just by clicking and holding and re-dragging to reorder things. On web to select, you just click the select button to the right of things, where you can format things, change the type of them, share them, delete them, tag them, and much more. Now let's talk about why the platform is called Twos. The meaning behind Twos is that it has Twos sides. Everything that you originally write down is private and just for you, but you can also share certain things and lists to connect with other people. And let's find something that I'd like to share. You don't have to do anything, you can sit and think. This is something that I'd like to share, so I can select this thing with the select button, use the share button at the bottom, and if we go to the world tab, we can then publish this one thing to the world. Now we can go to Twos World, which is the world icon in the top right, and we'll see things other people have shared, just like the thing I shared, as well as lists that other people have shared. This was actually how things were invented in the first place, by wanting to capture anything that I wanted to remember privately, and then choosing some of those things that I'd like to share to connect with other people. So Twos World is a place to just publish, discover new information, and also save some of that information that you find valuable. So Twos is an app to write things down. We have a million things going on in our lives, a million things we're trying to keep track of, and Twos gives you a simple and organized place to remember things. So if your notes are a mess, you find yourself emailing or texting yourself, writing things down on scraps of paper, Twos is the solution you're looking for. It is a quick and easy place to write things down so you can be more thoughtful, organized, and productive. Visit writethingsdown.com to learn more and have a happy Tuesday.